So this is my last purchase from Japan, a Fender made in Japan Stratocaster, and is the new limited edition Godzilla store exclusive in black color. So let's crack it open. Somebody was here before, maybe the courier. So I'll just put this like right here. Okay. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Got here standard box, carry box of the guitar, and on the other side it should say Godzilla 70th anniversary Fender. So let's try open this side here. So the 70 is like 70 Godzilla, and Fender is like a 3D. Okay, so let's open it. What's here? Oh wow, beautiful. Here the Godzilla that will light up as we play. Godzilla written on the fretboard. The matching black headstock. So let's see what comes with it. So for goodies we have this Godzilla made in Japan, number 49. You have the keys, some tools, and that's it. Okay, let's check the guitar. It's a shiny finish, all black. Wow. Nice, I like it. So this seems to be a decal on top. It's not sculpted into the fretboard, it's like a decal. I've noticed that the markers of the fretboard here are not white, and the fretboard extends beyond the rosewood fretboard extends beyond the maple neck. Here's the very nice. So on the back there is a 9-volt battery, probably to lighten up the Godzilla. And the finish is a shiny finish. So I'm gonna try it for the first time. Just plug here. A little bit lower the volume. So see as very cool effect. Then let's hear the gain. You can turn the effect off by pushing this button. This is, I think, is a gain circuit this guitar has. So off, on. Also, the circuit works with this off. Even with the amp switch off. Of course, when we remove this, it will not work. Only when we put this and it's still off.